Google Drive in itself may be a cloud storage service, but since it is from Google, it is integrated with other Google web apps. So in order to access them out, you can go on to New right here. And then over here, you can see that you can work with Google Docs. And this is something that we have been working with as well for some time. So if you were to open this up, it opens up Google Docs and you can start editing things out right here. And then it'll be saved onto your Google Drive. So Doc in itself is a very vast application that deserves lesson on of its own as well. Similarly, same goes for other apps right here. So there's Google Sheets right here, which is like Microsoft Excel, and that is the online version of Microsoft Excel. And there's Google Slides, which is online version of PowerPoint. There's other apps as well, such as Google Forms. So Google Forms is an online survey, online form which you can use to collect out surveys and then work with polls. So again, Forms is another application on its own. Besides that, if you were to go over here and go to more, you can see that there's more apps right here. So there's Google Drawings right here. So if you were to go over here, there's Google My Maps right here. So let's go over here again. There's Google Sites, just like this. And there's Google App Script. There's more. So let's just go over here and Google Jamboard, just like this. So these are separate applications. So this is for drawing, so similar to Visio of Microsoft. And then there's Maps, where you can work with Google Maps right here. And there's Google Site, where you can host your websites. There's GS right here, which you can do for coding, programming. And there's Jam right here, just like that, as you can see over here. So there's a lot of apps that you can explore. And if you want to even connect more apps, you can go to more and click on connect more apps, and you'll be provided with a list of apps which integrate with Google Drive natively, just like this. You can just bring in anything that you want and then start working with it, and the possibility is endless. They keep on adding new apps right here, so it's not possible to cover them each and every apps out in a single video. So that is how you can access the apps integrated with Google Drive and then access them to work out with them individually. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.